Have you heard the term portfolio and wondered what it actually means? You might hear it tossed around in finance videos, retirement planning, or even job interviews. While it may sound like something complicated, the idea behind a portfolio is surprisingly simple and super important if you're dealing with money, investing, or planning for your future. In this video, we'll break down what a portfolio is, how it works, and why you should care about having one. So, what exactly is a portfolio? In the world of investing, a portfolio is simply a collection of financial assets. These can include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, cash, and more. Think of it like a toolbox, but instead of tools, it holds everything you've invested in. A portfolio shows the big picture of where your money is and how you're building your wealth. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out with a few pounds, if you own more than one investment, you already have a portfolio. Now let's talk about how a portfolio works. The idea is to combine different types of investments to balance risk and reward. Some parts of your portfolio, like stocks, might be designed for higher growth but come with more ups and downs. Other parts, like bonds or savings, are typically safer but grow more slowly. The mix you choose depends on your goals, timeline, and how much risk you're comfortable with. This mix is called asset allocation, and it's one of the most important things to get right. Over time, you'll also need to monitor your portfolio to make sure it stays aligned with your plan, especially as markets move and your personal goals change. So why should you care about building a portfolio? Because it's the foundation of your financial future. Whether you're saving for retirement, a house, or just trying to grow your money, your portfolio is the vehicle that helps get you there. It also gives you more control, allowing you to adjust your strategy, manage risk, and take advantage of different market opportunities. Without a portfolio, you're basically just guessing with your money. With one, you're making a plan, and plans usually work out better than guesses. Let's use an example. Imagine someone has £10,000 to invest. Instead of putting it all into one company, they spread it out. £4,000 into stocks, £3,000 into bonds, £2,000 into real estate investment funds, and £1,000 into a savings account. That entire mix is their portfolio. It's organised, it has a purpose, and it's easier to manage than keeping track of each investment separately. Or picture it like a backpack for your money. It holds everything you're carrying financially, and the way you pack it determines how prepared you are for what's ahead. Let's use a simple analogy. Think of a portfolio like a garden. Each type of plant you grow, flowers, vegetables, herbs, fruit trees, is like a different investment. Some grow quickly like stocks, some take time but are steady like bonds, and others are just there to keep things balanced like cash or real estate. You wouldn't plant just one type of crop and hope for the best. You diversify your garden so that if one plant doesn't do well, others still thrive. Your portfolio works the same way. It's your personal financial garden, and how you care for it determines how well it grows over time. To wrap it up, a portfolio is your personal collection of investments, big or small, that work together to help you reach your financial goals. It's how smart investors manage risk, track progress, and stay on top of their financial future. You don't need to be wealthy to have one, and thanks to modern tools, building a simple portfolio is easier than ever. Once you understand the basics, it becomes a powerful tool to take control of your money and plan with confidence. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description, don't miss out.